Hi everyone, back again with another short video, or hopefully a short video. Starting very late again today. It's now 15:14 London time on the 20th of March 2018. Just got into a few trades here. You can see the Euro US dollar. I've taken a trade on this candle that's active now. Euro Japanese yen, I'm in on this, looking for this to move short, further downside movement. And the pound US dollar, I've got a short on this. They're the only three trades I'm in at the moment, and all of them have been taken on this candle. So this candle's about to close and we've got a new one going to be starting up. The first trade I took was on this last candle, this candle here. Euro US dollar, took that short, looking for further downside movement on that. Euro Japanese yen, took this short on that last candle there. See, the price is still pulling back at the moment, but not too worried about that right now. And the pound US dollar is the only other trade that I'm in. Took this short too, looking for further downside movement. Took it on this last candle here as well. So three trades, all taken on that last candle, and just waiting to see if we get some more downside movement. No other trades to be taken at the moment. Nothing else is hitting the criteria that we use at the Price Action Traders Institute. So just waiting to see if anything can be had from the market. Like I say, another late start for me today. That could have been a blessing in disguise, looking at the way these prices have pulled back. So taking earlier trades would have been stopped out, but getting in late sometimes pays off. Okay, I'll pause for now and I'll be back shortly to see if there's any changes in this price action. Just running through these pairs again to give you an update on these. You can see the Euro US dollar, the trade I took a few candles back, pulled back quite a long way, still hovering around there, not really doing a great deal at the moment. I'm looking for further downside movement on the Euro US dollar. Euro Japanese yen, slightly in profit, not a massive amount, but that's just still sitting there. And again, I'm looking for further downside movement on the Euro Japanese yen. Pound US dollar, that's pulled back quite a long way as well. Again, another one that I'm looking for further downside movement on this. Not looking amazingly good at the moment, but we'll see. These markets can turn at any moment. And so just sitting with that and seeing if it stays down and hopefully moves further down. And that's it. Nothing else going on at the moment, although we're seeing, looks like Australian dollar's getting weak, US dollar showing some strength. Just have to keep scanning these pairs and see what happens. Okay, I'll pause again for now and I'll be back shortly. Back for an update. You can see the Euro US dollar is holding down here on these last few candles. Starting to see some strength in the US dollar. Hopefully that's going to push that down a bit further. Euro's been dropping a little bit. We can see the Euro Japanese yen, another trade I'm in, bouncing off of that 50 at the moment, that 50 level. Looking for that to push through that and hopefully continue further down. Pound US dollar, looked like that was going to hit my stop a little while ago up here, but no, it's come back down again, and we're seeing that strong move down, the weakness in the pound, and also we're seeing that strength in the US dollar at the moment, so that's moving down pretty good. Still, they're the only three trades that I'm in, and the way that the markets have been, there's not really a great deal going on. I'm almost tempted to punch out of these now, or very, very soon. Okay, I'll give it a couple more minutes, keep an eye on what's going on, and I'll pause for now and I'll come back to you and let you know what I decide. Okay, I've punched out of those three trades that I had, just three trades taken today, three winners. I'll quickly run through these, finish this video off. The Euro US dollar. Our criteria, when I sat down, you know that I sat down late today, and as soon as I sat down I saw that our criteria was being hit here, and so I took a trade short on the Euro US dollar and I punched out here. Euro US dollar gave me 16 pips. I took 16 pips on Euro US dollar. Euro Japanese yen. Again, on the same candle, I took this one here and I punched out down here. So Euro Japanese yen, I took 26 pips on that. And the third trade that I took was the pound US dollar. As again, the same candle. As I sat down and looked at the charts, timing was just so lucky today. I know it was. If I'd have started earlier, you know, I would have had a lot more stops and I would have been digging myself out of a hole. But as luck would have it, the moment I sat down and looked at the charts, I saw 3 entries, took them, and they went my way. So the pound US dollar, took that up here and punched out down here after seeing that weakness on the pound, and I got 14 pips on that. So total today is 56 pips, 3 wins, no losses. Started trading at 3 PM London time, and I was trading for 1 hour and 23 minutes. We can see, I'll flick through these other charts. A great deal of price action happening today. These other pairs, there was no entry criteria on any of these for me. Nothing at all. And so, very limited today with the amount of trades that I could take. I'll finish this video now. If you look below this video, I'll put some links down there that will take you to more information about what we do at the Price Action Traders Institute if you're interested in joining up and finding out more. And also, if you would like to click on subscribe, little button down here just below this video, click on subscribe, and that way you'll get a heads up as and when I put these videos up on YouTube. Thanks very much for viewing, and I'll see you again soon.